Many growers notice this issue but are not always sure what causes it. This issue is commonly linked to sugarcane grassy shoot phytoplasma. Typical symptoms may include: the first symptoms usually appear when plants are about 3 to 4 months old. Young leaves become pale, thin, and noticeably narrower than normal. As the disease progresses, newly developing shoots may turn white or yellow, giving infected plants a characteristic grass-like or grassy appearance. Infected sugarcane clumps become stunted and produce excessive numbers of secondary shoots at an early stage. Secondary infections in fully developed sugarcane stalks may cause yellowing and the development of additional side shoots. In general, plants growing from infected clumps fail to produce stalks of sufficient quality for processing and may also develop clumps that fail to regrow properly after harvest, resulting in gaps in the emerging sugarcane field. If stalks develop from infected plants, they may remain thin and weak, with shorter than normal internodes and aerial roots developing at the lower nodes. Shoots emerging from these stalks may appear paper white and become abnormally elongated. It usually develops under conditions such as: the disease is caused by a bacteria-like organism known as a phytoplasma. The pathogen can spread through infected planting material, including diseased sugarcane sets. Secondary transmission occurs through insects that feed on the phloem of sugarcane, particularly leafhoppers and aphids, as well as through daughter, a parasitic plant that can act as an alternative host. The pathogen may also be mechanically spread through contaminated tools such as sugarcane cutting knives. Sorghum and maize can serve as alternative host plants for the disease. The symptoms may resemble iron deficiency in some cases, but disease symptoms tend to appear in distinct and irregular areas throughout the sugarcane field. Some natural approaches you can try are: there is no direct treatment that can eliminate this disease once a plant is infected. However, controlling populations of leafhoppers and aphids, which are important insect vectors, can help reduce disease spread. In cases of light infestation, mild insecticidal soap products containing suitable plant-based oils may be used to manage the insect vectors. For more severe cases, growers sometimes use. In all cases, consider combining preventive measures with appropriate biological control methods. There is no chemical treatment that can effectively eliminate the disease directly, but insecticides may be considered when aphid or leafhopper populations reach levels that require intervention. Products such as emethoate at approximately 1 milliliter per liter of water or methyldemeton at approximately 2 milliliters per liter of water have been used against aphids, with 2 applications spaced about 1 month apart. Always follow local regulations and the product label before using any pesticide. To help prevent this problem, use only healthy planting material and consider disease-tolerant or resistant varieties, such as Co. 86249, Co. G9307, 6, and Co. Z22, where suitable. To help eliminate pathogens from planting material, infected sets may be treated with hot water at 50 degrees Celsius for approximately 2 hours, or with moist heat at 54 degrees Celsius for about 2.5 hours, following locally recommended protocols. Planting material may also be treated with letermacin, an antibiotic, at 500 ppm before planting where this treatment is approved and recommended. Regularly monitor sugarcane fields for early disease symptoms and signs of insect vectors. If infected plants are identified within 2 weeks after planting, replace them with healthy planting material when practical. Remove infected plants and destroy them promptly and safely. Yellow sticky traps can help monitor and reduce populations of disease-carrying insects such as leafhoppers. Crop rotation may also help reduce pathogen pressure in the field. Overall, leaves become narrow and pale. Infected sugarcane plants develop a characteristic grassy appearance. New shoots become weak, thin, and stunted. Follow the channel for more useful plant care information.